External document number mandatory means that system will need you to put this external document number. You can find it on every sales document in the header. If it's on, system will not post any document without it. In the next option, you can decide, do you want to apply documents with different currencies with your customer? If it's none, you will not be allowed to. If it's European Monetary Union, you can apply those which belongs to this, and all kind of appliance will be available in the system. Logo position on documents means where to put logo. You can define logo in company information table. Here is the logo, so you can, with this option, we can set where you want to have it on the document. So let's switch back to our settings. Default posting date means what date will be used when you create new sales document. When it's work date, it will be your present work Dynamics date. If it's no date, user will have to do it manually after you create the document. Default quantity to ship. If you choose reminder, system will give quantity to ship the same value as quantities. If it's blank, system will not fill those fields. Those are available on sales orders. If you put item, I can just copy, F8 copies the value from above, and I go with the quantity. System will automatically put the values into quantity to ship and quantity to invoice. If this option is off, those values will be empty and user will have to put it manually. In the next 5 columns, you can set the system to copy comments from different kind of documents to next document. So for example, if you choose to add some comments for the sales order and put it some information for your colleagues, then if you post the invoice and you post the shipment, system will move all the comments to those documents with this all options. Allow VAT difference means that you can change the VAT amount on sales documents. Exact cost reversing means that when you make some credit memos, some return orders, you will have to show exact sales shipment for this. If not, system will not allow you to post documents. Then we have some prepayment settings. I will explain them when we will talk about sales prepayments. In allow document deletion before, you can set the date. Before this date, you will be able to delete posted documents. The next option lets you to update the address when you use and create sales documents. In dimensions, you can find 2 dimensions connected with customer groups and salesperson. So by default, you can connect created dimensions to those groups. In numbering series tab, you can connect numbering series for each sales object. I mean customers, every documents, so quotes, orders, and posted documents, so posted invoices, credit memos, as well as some reminders and issued reminders and finance charges. So you can put the values in here. As you can see, you can connect only one numbering series for each document. If you want to use more, I will just pick this one. If you want to use more, you can connect it with each other using relationships. So in this case, if you want to use two different numberings in the invoices, you have to use advanced and relationships. We have now connected different numbering series to this one. Now, if I create new sales invoice, I can find it here, and I create new, I will have my number available. Now I can choose in Assist Edit which numbering I want to use. If I will have only one numbering series connected with sales invoices, this field will not be visible and you will not be able to choose the number. In the next tab, background posting, you can set the system to automatically post documents when user is not logged in. In archiving, you will have some options about archives of the quotes, so you can choose whether to use it or not. You can also archive blanket orders automatically, or orders or the return orders. In sales and receivables setup page, you can also go directly to some settings. You have connection in the ribbon.